As per JNT Kakinada syllabus, the subject is electromagnetic waves and transmission lines. In this subject, unit 1 is transmission lines 1. In this transmission lines 1, types, parameters, T and pi equivalent circuits, transmission line equations, primary and secondary constants, expressions for characteristic impedance, propagation constant, phase and group velocities, infinite line, lossless line, distortionless line, and illustrative problems. This is the about unit 1 syllabus. Now I want to discuss definition of transmission line. Transmission line is defined as the path of carrying alternating electrical energy from source to load. So here, what is transmission line means? Transmission line is a path of carrying electrical energy from source to load. అంటే ఒక ప్లేస్ నుంచి ఇంకో ప్లేస్కి ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీని క్యారీ చేసే వాటిని ఏమంటారంటే ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ లైన్స్ అంటారు. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ పవర్ లైన్స్ and the wires used between TV antenna, TV setup. Next, types of transmission lines. Basically, more number of types are there, and basic types of transmission lines are balanced two-wire, coaxial cable, waveguide, microstrip lines, and optical fiber cable. In this balanced two-wire ante twisted pair wire. Twisted pair wire means మనం ఇంట్లో చూస్తుంటాం. The wires, two wires are used for connection between switchboard and fan, connection between switchboard and light. That wire is twisted pair wire. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable example city cable wire. In that coaxial cable, two conductors are there. First inner conductor is there, and after inner conductor some insulation material is there. After the insulation material, outer conductor is there. So two conductors are separated with the insulation material, dielectric material. That is coaxial cable, city cable wire example. Waveguides and these are used for traveling of electromagnetic waves. And microstrip lines and in any of the motherboard some lines are there. By using that lines we can transfer the electrical energy. Next, optical fiber cable. Optical fiber cable means OFC. So in this optical fiber cable, just like these are just like a tube. In this, the energy transferred from one place to another place in the form of light. The main difference between OFC and other cables, in other cables the electrical energy transferred, but in optical fiber cable the light energy is travel from one place to another place in the form of light. Next, parameters of transmission lines. The parameters, transmission line has mainly 4 parameters. These are resistance, inductance, capacitance, and shunt conductance. These parameters are uniformly distributed along the length of transmission line. Hence, it is called as distributed parameters of transmission line. Why? Because in the transmission line, the electrical energy transferred from one place to another place. So the electrical parameters, what are these electrical parameters? Resistance, inductance, capacitance, shunt conductance. These are electrical parameters. These parameters are same as the parameters of transmission lines. So basically, how many parameters are there? 4 parameters are there. These are resistance, inductance, capacitance, shunt conductance. These are distributed along distributed, uniformly distributed along the length of the transmission line. So these are called as distributed parameters of transmission line.